Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Jaguar F-Type on a 19 plate. As you can see, I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside, you can see it's a 3-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off, of course, inside the boot space of the vehicle first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have that centrally exiting tailpipe, reversing sensors as well. This car's also got a reversing camera, which I'll show you when we run through the controls. And given the nature of the vehicle, plenty of boot space as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And as I mentioned, we'll then hop in and run through some controls. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see firstly the alloy wheels are in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around this great looking car. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. Over on the left-hand side, we have the speedometer. We have the rev counter on the right-hand side. In the centre, we've got the fuel gauge, the coolant temperature gauge, total miles of this car, which are 50,421. To the right-hand side of that, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic. Of course, we are in park currently with the fuel gauge, coolant temperature gauge, and the trip computer above that. So you can change to any of the bits of information that you see being displayed on screen just there, and that is done using these buttons. We have our phone controls as well. Over on the right hand side we have cruise control and speed limiter. Behind the steering wheel, the minus and plus pedals, so you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Into the center next, the main touchscreen. So it's on here that you can access your satellite navigation. Really nice, clear, wide colour display. You can go back to your home screen at any time, and that is also then where you'll access your media input for the vehicle. So when it comes to radio, we have DAB, FM and AM radio, but of course there are other ways to listen to music in this car as well, and they would appear up here if you connect any of them up, and they would include namely Bluetooth audio. So once you pair your phone, you'll be able to make and receive phone calls and stream your music wirelessly as well. You can also access Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, depending on the device that you have, of course. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you'll see the full color reversing camera that I mentioned a moment ago. We have dual zone climate control as well, so you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. When you're happy with those settings, you can turn your air conditioning on, as I just have, or hit auto. The car will now take full control of the fan speed to maintain whatever temperatures you have asked for just here. And you can manually override that by making any manual adjustment. You'll see auto has now gone off. We have a 12-volt charging socket, the start and stop button for the engine, the volume for your stereo, gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. You can change the driving setup of the car from here. So for snowy, icy weather, for example, everyday driving, and for dynamic mode. Whatever mode you put it in will be confirmed up in this main section just here. And then lastly, we have an electronic handbrake. We can make the exhaust system louder with the push of a button. We can turn off our traction control, we can turn off the stop and start, and we can raise and lower the boot spoiler, and then we have 2 cup holders. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork. So in the envelope here is the spare key. Of course, 2 keys in total, the V5 registration document just there, and then a printout of the service record, and this is directly from Jaguar. So you've got, as you can see just here, 2019, 21, 22, 23 and 2025 as well. So just a couple of months ago for its last service. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. Similarly, we'd be more than happy to do a live bespoke video tour as well.